Hey y'all, it's Brett and I am back with another video to help you out during your wedding planning process. So today I want to share a tip with you that I think is really valuable and I hope that it will help you as well. So my tip is wait a day or two before you leave on your honeymoon from the wedding. So let me explain why this is going to be helpful. I have had several people who at the wedding will bring like a suitcase, bring a couple suitcases, and I'm like, oh, like, where are y'all staying the night? And they say, oh, well, we're going to the hotel, and then we're leaving at 6 a.m. on our flight to our honeymoon. Like, great. And I'm thinking in my head, oh no, no. Let me tell you why I don't like this idea. So first of all, you are going to be exhausted. Even if you're telling me, oh, our wedding ends at like 8 or 9, we're not going to be that tired. Yeah, you are. So you got to get up super early. You have to do your hair and your makeup. You're around a ton of people. Everyone wants to talk to you, wants to hug you. You're being pulled in 20 different directions. Come cut the cake. Come do this. Oh, Aunt Jean wants a picture. Oh, they want to talk. You're gonna be tired. A wedding is an exhausting day. It is wonderful. It is joyous. I wouldn't trade it for the world, but it's exhausting. So having that next day to just rest and recoup, look at each other and say, oh my gosh, we're married, like relax for one day and then go on your honeymoon. It is going to let you enjoy your honeymoon because I feel like if you go the next day, the first day that you get there, all you're gonna wanna do is sleep in the hotel. And then that was kind of a waste of money to go on your honeymoon if you're not really enjoying it. So give yourself a break, give yourself one day, and you will thank yourself. Also, your marriage license. If your officiant is not mailing it for you and they're giving it back to you, the last thing you wanna do is take that marriage license out of the country. If you do not turn that marriage license back in, you are not legally married. So if you lose that marriage license, you're not married. So let me say it again. Do not take your marriage license out of the country. If you don't listen to this video, and that's totally fine, that's your decision, and you choose to go on your honeymoon the next day or that night, and you're not going home first, at least give your marriage license to somebody else. Don't take it with you on your honeymoon. What if your suitcase gets lost? What if your purse gets stolen? You just never know. So don't take your marriage license with you. Let somebody else take it. Also, another idea that I personally love is doing a brunch the day after the wedding with all of your family and people who traveled from out of town. So instead of leaving immediately on your honeymoon, you could do a brunch with everyone. If they have traveled from other states and they have come for hours and hours away and they only saw you for a brief period on your wedding day, they would really enjoy getting to do a brunch with you that morning after, so everyone can kind of just sit down, visit, and enjoy some more time together. And then you could leave the next day on that honeymoon. So I hope that this gave you a couple things to think about, and I will see y'all next week. Bye guys.